Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 7th standard maths, term 2, chapter 2. Now I explain exercise 2.1. This is a continuation for the previous video. The third sum, find the circumference of the circle, radius 49 centimeter. So given radius r is equal to 49 centimeter, we find the circumference. So we write the circumference formula. So we denoted circumference is capital C, that is 2 pi r units. So using this formula, find the circumference 2 pi r units. Here 2 multiplied with the value of pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied with radius 49. Here simplify into 7th table. 1 7s are 7, then 7 7s are 49. So multiply the three numbers. 2 multiplied with 22, we have 44 multiplied with 7. So 44 multiplied with 7, we have 308 centimeter. So the radius 49 centimeter in this sum, we find the circumference 308 centimeter. In the second one, given radius 91 millimeter, we find the circumference of the circle. First we write the formula. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. So 2 multiplied with 22 divided by 7 multiplied with 91. Here simplify into 7th table. We have 1 7s are 7, 13 7s are 91. So multiply with the three numbers. 2 into 22, 44 multiply with 13. So multiply the two number. 44 multiply with 13. So multiply now. 3 4s are 12. Remainder 1. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 4s are 4. Then 1 4s are 4. Adding now 2, 7, 5. 572. So 572 millimeter. So in this sum, the radius given 99 millimeter and we find the circumference 572 millimeter. The next sum, fourth one, the diameter of a circular well is 4.2 meter. What is its circumference? So here we write the solution. The diameter of the circular well is 4.2 meter. So the diameter given, we find the circumference of the well. So we write the solution in the first line. Given the diameter D is equal to 4.2 meter. Then circumference C is equal to 5 into D units. So here the value of pi is equal to 22 divided by 7, then multiply with diameter 4.2 meter. So 22 multiplied with 4.2 divided by 7, we have 7 1 7s are 7, 6 7s are 42. So here 0.6. So 22 multiplied with 6, we have 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. Put 1 point, we have 13.2. So 13.2 meter. So in the circumference of the well is equal to 13.2 meter. So this is the solution for the fourth one. The fifth sum, the diameter of the bullet cartwheel is 1.4 meter. So we find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. So the diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter given. We find the distance covered by it in 150 rotation. First we write it, diameter of the bullock cart wheel D is equal to 1.4 meter. So distance covered in one rotation is equal to its circumference. So we find its circumference. Already we know circumference formula pi into d units. So we write it pi into pi value is 22 divided by 7 multiplied with diameter 1.4 meter. Here 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, that is 0.2. So 22 multiplied with 0.2 is equal to 4.4 meter. So in the bullock cart wheel diameter is 1.4 meter given. So distance covered in one rotation is equal to 4.4 meter. So in this sum also we write distance covered in one rotation is equal to 4.4 meter. So we find distance covered in 150 rotations is equal to 4.4 multiplied with 150. So we have 660. So 4.4 multiplied with 150 is equal to 660. So therefore we write the solution, distance covered in 150 rotations is equal to 660 meter. So distance covered in one rotation is equal to 4.4 meter. So distance covered in 150 meter, we multiply with 4.4 multiply with 150, we have 660 meter. So we write the solution, distance covered in 150 rotation equal to 660 meter. So this is the solution. The sixth one, a ground is in the form of a circle whose diameter is 350 meter. So find the radius. So a ground is in the form of a circle shape. The diameter is 350 meter. So we write the solution in the first line. Diameter of the ground D is equal to 350 meter. So already we know radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So here diameter is equal to 350 meter. So 350 divided by 2. Simplify into 2 table. 1 2s are 2 here. 1 2s are 2, remainder 1 50, 7 2s are 40, remainder 1 10, 5 2s are 10. So 175 meter. So in this radius is equal to 175 meter. This is the solution for the sixth one. So students, today we prepare for the some more problems in exercise 2.1. Prepare well. Thank you.